Hi guys, and this is Sir Matt from Matic. And today we're going to learn this lesson. And this lesson is addition by counting. I think this is a grade 1 level math. Okay, so bago tayo mag-start, kailangan, importante na marunong muna tayong magbilang. So, kagaya nung nakikita natin dyan sa screen, kita natin dyan yung mga kamay. No? Sa mga bata, kailangan marunong sila magbilang. You can use your hands para magbilang. No? So that you can easily answer this topic, this question, using your hand. No? You can analyze it by the help of your hand. Ayan. So, kagaya ng makikita natin dyan sa picture. And importante siguro na marunong tayong magbilang up to 1 to 20. Okay? So, siguro mag-practice muna tayo. Magbilang tayo ng 1 to 20. Okay? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, that's 1 to 20. So, naging familiar sana kayo dyan sa mga number na yan. Okay, so now, I think we are ready to answer some examples. Okay, so, let's go to example number 1. Okay, so here is our example. 2 plus 3 is equals. So, how can we answer this question? So, yung unang titingnan natin, ano ba yung mas malaking number dyan sa dalawa na yan? So, kung titingnan mo, ang mas malaking number, 2 or 3? Oo, yung mas malaking number is 3. And that's right. So, kung saan yung mas malaking number, doon tayo mag-i-start mag-count ngayon. So, halimbawa, 2 plus 3. So, dahil mas malaki ngayon yung 3, magka-count tayo ng dalawa after ng 3. So, para mas magets nyo, gagamit tayo ng kamay. Okay? So, yan yung ating mga kamay. So, magka-count tayo after ng 3. So, 3. Ano bang sunod ng 3? 4, 5. So, nag-count tayo ng dalawa after ng 3. So, 2 plus 3 is equals 5. So, that's the answer. So, ganun sinasagutan itong addition by counting. Tinitingnan mo muna kung sino yung mas malaking number dun sa dalawa. Tapos, dun ka mag-i-start magbilang. Okay, so let's have another example. Okay. 3 plus 4. So, sagutan ulit natin. Again dito, ano yung mas malaking number? 3 or 4? Oo, 4 yung mas malaki. So, doon tayo mag-i-start magbilang ngayon sa 4. So, labas ulit natin yung ating mga kamay. So, 4, bilang tayo ng 3 after ng 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 4 plus 3, the answer is 7. Okay. So, I think medyo nakukuha nyo na yung principle dito sa addition by counting. And, let's have another example. Example number 3. Okay. 7 plus 6. So, sa 6 at saka sa 7, sino yung mas malaking number? 7. Okay? So, mas malaking number ang 7. So, diyan tayo ngayon mag-i-start magbilang. Okay? So, labas ulit natin yung mga kamay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, after ng 7, bumilang tayo ngayon ng 6. And that is 13. So, 7 plus 6, the answer is 13. That's example number 3. And what is example number 4? Example number 4 is 8 plus 4. So, again, anong mas malaki sa dalawang number? Is 8. So, count tayo after ng 8. Count tayo ng 4 after ng 8. So, labas ulit natin yung mga kamay natin. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 8 plus 4 is equals 12. Okay. So, I think we have last example in this topic. Example number 5 is 9 plus 6. So, dun sa dalawang number na yan, mas malaki ulit yung 9. So, dun tayo mag-start magbilang. Okay, so, start tayo nagbilang. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So, 9 plus 6 is equals to 15. Okay. So, I hope na-gets nyo yung principle doon, no? So, titingnan nyo lang kung ano yung mas malaking number dito. Tapos, doon kayo magi-start magbilang ng i-add sa number na yon. So, I hope the visual presentation helps you a lot to answer this equation, this problem. Yan. Okay, so pwede nyo tong subukan sagutan sa bahay. Itong homework natin. Homework natin, we have 10. Ayan. We have 10 items. So, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 8 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 15 plus 3, 11 plus 3, 12 plus 8, 8 plus 9. So, pwede nyo siyang subukan sagutin sa bahay. You can take a screenshot of this and sagutan nyo. It will serve as your worksheet. Okay? And thank you for listening, guys. And again, this is Sir Matt from Matic. Basta Matt, Matic yan. Thank you.